Wow, One Digital Hub is seriously changing the game. I didn't know it was this easy.
Seriously? That means I can make professional videos for free without video editing skills.
And the good thing is that it is completely free and you can generate unlimited videos.
Are you serious? That's unbelievable. I must try this out.
Can you imagine? One Digital Hub is teaching exactly how to access the platform and create unlimited VO3 videos for free.
Incredible! You mean I can learn it even from the market like this?
Yes.
I discovered an incredible method that lets you access VO3 completely free. And not just that, you can create unlimited high-quality videos at no cost. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to access this tool and start making unlimited videos right away. So if you're ready, let's jump straight into the tutorial.
So let me walk you through with some frequently asked questions on this website. And this right here says, is this service completely free? Absolutely. Our platform offers unlimited access with no hidden fees, subscription or payment requirement. Yes, this platform offers free subscription, unlimited access, no hidden fees, no charges at all, and you can generate as much video as you want. Okay, so the next one here says, do I need to sign up or create an account? No, you don't need to create an account. All you need to do is just go to the website and then start creating your videos immediately. Okay, so for the video quality, so what duration and quality should I expect? The video quality is top notch and is very realistic. Without wasting much time, let me walk you through the website. So on this website, you can generate text to video. With your prompts, you can generate your videos, and you can also generate videos with your images. If you already have your image, all you need to do is just to click on this box right here. You click on this box right here, and then come over to this box right here to input your prompt, the camera movement and everything on the camera motion, how you want it to look like, and then you are free to generate. On this website also, if you want to generate your video, you come here and select the aspect ratio. It has different aspect ratio of 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1, which is the square. And it also has examples of prompts you can try out. Okay, so let's try out this character animation. Let's try this out. So immediately you click on it, the prompt is going to be displayed right here. Okay, so when you're done with that, come down below and then click on generate VO3.1 video, and boom, you have your video. So let's go ahead and try this out before I'll input my own prompt. So you wait for it to load. It's going to load here. Just wait for a few seconds and then you have your video. Okay, so our video is ready. Let me just go ahead and play it. So this is the video it has generated for us using the prompt from the website. So I'm going to go ahead and input my own prompt and let's see the results we're going to get. But before that, let me show you how to get access to this website. So the first thing is to go to your browser and come to your browser and click on AI Gen Max. And click here, and you're going to scroll down here to this particular one, this very one right here, and click on it. So it's going to bring you to this place. So when you get here, you're going to come over and click on this box here. When you click on it, it's going to bring you directly to this page. So on this page, this description box is where we are going to input our prompt. So here is my prompt. I've entered my prompt and this is it. It says inside a modern home workspace with LED lights, accents, laptop, microphone and notebook on a neat desk setup. Okay, this is just me describing how I want my video to look like. This is my prompt and dialogue, the woman speaking to camera. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when new video comes up. So this is my prompt, and then you're just going to scroll down to this place. Then you're going to choose your aspect ratio. If you want 9:16 portrait, if you want 1:1 square, you just go ahead and click on it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm working with 16:9, which is the normal YouTube ratio. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and click on generate video 3.1 video. So you're going to wait for it to load right here. Our video is ready and I'm going to play it for you to see.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when new video comes out.
You can see how beautiful this is. This is nice. So if you want to download this video, you're going to come over to these three dots right here. You click on it and then you can download. If you want to fast forward the video or reduce the speed, you can come to playback speed. Okay, you can see normal. If you want to make it fast, if you want to make it slower, you can go ahead and do that. All right, so let's just generate one more video and see. Okay, so here is my second prompt. I've entered this prompt of an African woman in her 50s wearing a vibrant Ankara apron and an Ankara chef cap in the kitchen. She's cooking in the kitchen. So this is the prompt here. I'll be dropping it also in my Telegram channel. Okay, so here is the dialogue of my video, and when you are done, choose your aspect ratio as usual and then come over here to generate your video. So my video is ready. I'm going to play it for you.
You can also join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. Connect with other creators and share ideas. Link in the description and pinned comment of this video.
Wow, you can see how beautiful that is. So it is so simple and very easy to navigate on this website. So I hope you are going to be trying yours. Let me know in the comment section if you have any difficulty. So until I see you again in my next video, it's bye for now.
You can also join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. Connect with other creators and share ideas. Link in the description and pinned comment of this video.